Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I got some Happy Mail today, and I wanted to check this out. This is, see those little hair things? I remember having hair ties like that back when I was younger, so I guess like the 70s and 80s. And this lady, Marquita, reached out to me and wanted to show them to me, so I'm like, yeah, sure. So, oh, look, I have a little letter. Let's see here. Open this up. It says, thank you. Thank you for your interest in doing a review and giveaway featuring my Lilla Rose business. Okay, Lilla Rose. I hope you love your hair accessories, and I look forward to speaking with you. Sincerely, Marquita. So, here we go. Lilla Rose, Everyday Beauty. All kinds of great hair accessories. Now, she is just sending these to me. I'm going to talk with her tomorrow so she can teach me how to use them, because I really don't know. I mean, I know how I used to use little items like this, but we will see. This one is called the Sport, the Flexi Sport. So, it's got these little guys. Do you remember these? I loved them. So this is very flexible, where the other ones back in the day were not flexible. So you could put your hair in there, and you put your hair in here, and then I'm assuming, ow, it hurts my finger, but it won't hurt my hair. There we go. And that's, yeah, there it goes. And depending on how big you have it, I guess, you can really use, look at that. So, I told her I would review these, and this is the first set of review. I'm going to find out how to use them tomorrow. I'm assuming this is how you use them, but I will, ooh, look at this one. Now, oh, this one's flexible too. I was going to say, this one's probably not as flexible, but it works the same way. Oh, and then this can, look how big you can get your hair to go. Assuming it goes, yeah, look at that. See how much hair can fit in there? All right. So there we go. I believe maybe in my email she put the link. I'm not sure if there is a code or anything like that. Look at all these different sizes. So I'm thinking this is maybe the mega one, because it is pretty darn big, or the extra large. I'm going with the extra large or the mega. But these are just adorable. Let me know what you think. I'm excited for these. All right, beauties. I will put the information in the link down below. I'll talk to her tomorrow, find out a little bit more, see all the different ways you can probably use these. I'm only thinking of one, but I'm very happy with these. So, all right, let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!